Ever wonder why some people seem to thrive in their fitness pursuits during the winter months? Well, it's not just about resilience or sheer willpower. In fact, winter might just be the unsung hero of their fitness journey. You see, there's a common perception that winter is a season for cozy blankets, hot cocoa, and binge-watching your favorite shows. But what if we flipped the script? Picture this: winter as the perfect time for fitness enthusiasts to step up their game. As temperatures drop, your body works harder to stay warm, boosting not only your calorie burn, but also your immunity. And let's not forget the mood-lifting benefits of a good sweat session, which can be a real game changer during those shorter, darker days. So, next time you're tempted to hit the snooze button on a frosty morning, remember the hidden potential of a winter workout. After all, winter's chill might just be the secret ingredient for your fitness success. Let's delve into why hitting the gym in winter can be a game changer for your fitness goals. The cold weather can be your secret weapon in the battle to burn calories. As your body works to warm itself, your metabolism spikes, leading to a higher calorie burn than in warmer months. But the benefits don't stop at a revved-up metabolism. Regular gym visits can also be a powerful tool in combating seasonal affective disorder. With each workout, your body releases a rush of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that improve your mood and combat winter blues. And let's not forget the immunity boost. A consistent workout routine helps strengthen your body's defenses, making you more resilient against common winter illnesses. So, while the cold may be biting, the benefits of a winter workout are too good to ignore. Clearly, winter offers a unique set of advantages to those willing to brave the cold and hit the gym. Now that you know the benefits, are you ready to embrace the cold and take your fitness to the next level? Winter is not a barrier, but a catalyst to supercharge your fitness journey. It's time to see the frosty weather as an ally, not an adversary. Remember, when the temperatures drop, it doesn't mean you should drop your fitness routine. Instead, it's a chance to step up, to amplify your workouts, to push your boundaries. The chill in the air can fuel your determination, can ignite your passion for fitness. It's time to seize this opportunity to make the most of these winter months. So, are you ready to challenge yourself? Are you ready to hit the gym, to sweat it out, to feel the burn and relish in the results? It's time to make a decision, to make a commitment to yourself, to your fitness. Don't let the winter chill freeze your fitness goals. Embrace the cold, hit the gym, and watch as you transform your fitness game during the winter months.